And I'm going to show you the fastest way to clean this dirty paint roller, and it's the easiest way. We got this one dirty right here. We're ready to go with some gray paint on it. First thing you want to do is get the excess paint off. You can either use our spin fuse to spin it into a bucket. We're not going to do that because it'll dirty up the bucket, and I want you to see what happens next. So we're going to use our Clean Sweep Pro. This removes all the excess paint all the way around the entire circumference in one pass. You just place it over the paint roller like this and squeegee it down. And you can see all that paint going off of there. Now once you have that, you need to remove the paint roller from the frame. And for that, we're going to use the Paint Pop Pro. This is a 3-part kit. It comes with the Clean Sweep Pro, the Paint Pop Pro, and the Spin Fuse. This works by just simply putting it right over the paint roller frame and tap it. It knocks it loose. Next step is to place the spin fuse into your drill, tighten it up onto the metal shaft, place this into the paint roller, tap it in here so it's good and snug. And this is a tapered design unlike others, so it'll fit rollers that have a slight variance, because sometimes they're loose. They have a very slight variance, but because of our tapered design, it'll work anyway. Now put it into a bucket of clean water. We've got semi-dirty water here, but it works. You can wash 2 or 3 rollers at a time. All you got to do is spin it back and forth at high speed. You're not going to break this, and you only do it 2 or 3 seconds each direction, and watch. It doesn't take long. You just do that a few times and most of it's already washed out of there. What we're doing by going back and forth is we're forcing the water into the nap one direction, and then we're forcing it in the other, so it goes nice and deep, cleans it really quick. Now just spin it off. And most of it's already gone, but you'll usually have to do it about 2 or 3 times. And if you find very much up here, maybe your water isn't deep enough, just flip this around. Now we'll do it again. This whole process of spinning it off and spinning it over here and getting it clean usually takes less than 30 seconds. It's already clean right there, and I'll show you as proof. All we got to do is rub it on my white t-shirt here, and you can see it doesn't leave nothing on my face, because it's actually nearly dry. It spins out so much of the water. It's fluffed up, ready to dry, or you can put it right back into immediate use. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Some of you know that we had to do a GoFundMe a while back because my health issues with my peripheral neuropathy, restless legs, severe back pain, long-term chronic fatigue from long COVID, prostate cancer, hole in my left retina, my permanent vertigo due to nerve damage caused by a virus in my right inner ear, and I think some more, has just made it where I have a real hard time earning a living. Things are improving right now, but we could still use some more help. We are getting on top of some of these bills, which is going to make a big difference, and it allows me to focus on the long-term part of this business instead of putting out fires every day. So if you can help, there's a link on the screen and in the description. And I'm putting this out at 2 a.m. because I can't sleep due to all this crap that's going on. Thanks a lot for your support.